I bought this car for $14,000. Even though it originally cost $450,000, when my friends told me no one would dare touch it and that it would definitely become a money pit. But I said, we have been restoring classic cars for so many years. As long as there is even one screw left, we can bring it back to full life. Next, watch how we turn stone into gold and let this $450,000 supercar dominate the streets again, brothers. The engine was upgraded to a 4-liter setup, fully reassembled, and is now ready to be installed back into the car. With the engine fully revived, the whole car moves into repainting. As the year end approaches, red is chosen to match the festive atmosphere and bring the car back with a strong, lively presence. Look at how bright this color is. And of course, all the paint we use is German BASF water-based materials, which guarantees top-level quality and finish. Look at the effect before polishing. Is it bright enough? Full-time all-parts disguise. All components are fully reassembled and restored, and the complete vehicle renovation is finally finished. Now let's take a look at the refreshed exterior and the brand new interior results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.